guys, it's Gregory, finally back with another video for y'all. I've missed you. I know, you're like, where has he been? No excuses, but this is the perfect opportunity for us to have a little catch-up sesh, because I want to tell you what's new with me and then take you through my current skincare regimen. If you've been wondering where I am, that means you're not following me on Instagram, so go follow me at Gregory Dillon Beauty, and you can keep up with me with more of my day-to-day, see me at the studio, where I'm traveling, and get some fabulous skincare tips and tricks there as well. So let's see where to start. It's been all crazy nuts, but really good. You guys, it is coming up on 6 years that I have opened my skincare studio. I cannot believe that it has been that long, because it's flown by. It's been a really amazing experience, and I'm super grateful for what the business has turned into and all of my fabulous clients, but 6 years is like, wow. Also in the business realm, I don't know if y'all saw, if you didn't, you're not following, but I launched my first product. Yes, I launched the first product in Gregory Dillon Skincare, Skin Slept in May, which was amazing. I've been working on it so hard. FYI, that's where I've been, and that's what I've been doing, working on that. It's so much work, but it's finally out, and it's not the only one. There will be more to come, but I'm super excited to tell you about all that, but I owe you more videos before I talk about that. So we'll touch on it a little bit today, and then I'll do a separate video for Skin Slept In when the time comes. And then on a personal note, you guys, in January of 2019, I got engaged. Yes, my fiance, because I can say that now, former boyfriend, Matt, proposed to me in New York in January by surprise. It was probably like the coolest and most amazing moment of my life. Just so taken by shock. So we are super excited, and we're planning on a wedding next year in June or April. We've been looking at some venues. If you follow me on IG, you've probably been seeing them, but I'm gonna surprise you all with more info about this later, and maybe do a little video about the wedding planning, so stay tuned. So now that we're caught up, let's talk about skincare, because I know that's why you're all here. So we'll start with the morning. Cleansing in the morning, I usually just do like a really simple kind of rinse in the shower. If I'm using a cleanser, I would do the Cosmetics Benefit Clean, because it's really, really gentle. When I get out, my first product is actually my new Daytime Serum, Skin Slept In. What this does is it helps to counteract the lack of sleep or beauty sleep and not enough rest, and maintains that really fabulous glow on your skin every day by giving you a dose of the fabulous things that happen to your sleep when you wake up to let your skin sleep in. So we'll touch on this more later. It is very cool and light and delicious on the skin, and it feels really, really refreshing, and it melts right into the skin. So that's one of my favorite things about it, is how it feels. And it's great base for everything else, because it doesn't feel heavy, and it gives me that nice, really well-rested glow every day. I follow that with my True Beauty Eye Cream by Derma. Can you see that? It's a little blown out. Sorry, guys. I'll put all the links below so you can click through. I love this eye cream because it's got like a little something for puffiness, a little something for dark circles, and then also lots of peptides for anti-aging, and some light refractors. So it helps to just bloop, 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 kind of bounce that light during the day to give you a little bit of a lift under the eyes. So that and my serum, both all skin types. This next product, my daytime moisturizer, is the Cosmetics Peptide Rich Defense SPF 50. This is like my fave. I love this. I like it because of the fact that it combines my anti-aging peptides with SPF 50 moisturizer. This is probably more normal to dry product. If you're a little bit combination and tend to be a little bit oily, it may give a little bit too much of a dewy, glowy look for you. But for my normal to dry clients, definitely check it out. I love it. My clients love it too. Now, that's my go-to. Oh gosh, I almost forgot one. So the other thing I do during the day is this area, my neck and chest, because when I moved to California, all I wore was V-necks. So this got so much sun damage. And it sucks. So you notice I don't wear V-necks anymore. So this is Illuminate and Lift by Cosmetics, and it is to treat specifically the neck and chest loaded with peptides and specialty moisturizing ingredients to really condition that area and help to reduce inflammation and smooth out crepiness. So this was actually one of the first products that really sold me on cosmetics, so I love that. So that is my daytime regimen. At night, you'll see I switch it up a little bit at night. So I like to vary between two cleansers. I like Purity Clean by Cosmetics, or if you remember from my old videos, Glamtox Cleanser by RODIAL. Two of my favorites, kind of just depends on my mood. If I have a little bit more stuff on, I'll do Glamtox. My daily go-to is the Purity Clean. Purity Clean is nice and minty fresh, gently exfoliating, and Glamtox is more of a balm. So with Purity Clean, I do the massage and rinse, and with Glamtox Balm, I like to do like a little muslin cloth or washcloth to take it off after I've emulsified it. After that, my go-to serum for nighttime is the Aerobic Infusion Serum by Derma. This is like 26 different peptides. I love this serum. It really, really works to smooth out the texture and fine lines, and it smells and feels delicious. It's a very like soft, powdery feel, and also kind of powdery scent. I was gonna let you smell, but it really does feel good. So I definitely work that into the areas of concern, if you know what I mean. My go-to follow-up with that is the Derma Modern Mask. This is kind of like a sleep-in mask. Again, loaded with peptides to help prevent. Can you tell I like peptides? Yeah, you guys, they are the best for anti-aging. Load up on the peptides for the anti-aging, because the aging thing is not fun. So this smells delish. It's a really fabulous texture. It's like a kind of like a, it's like a light fluffy cream. So it feels fabulous on the skin. I have the professional mask of this at the studio, and my clients adore it. My hair is just not keeping the volume. Yes, I still do this all the time. So that's my go-to daily. Now what I like to do is about 2 times a week, I switch it up with the 2 or 3 times with the X-Age from Cosmetics Elite. This is a moisturizer spiked with encapsulated vitamin A, which is your retinol. So that's gonna help to really work on texture, tone, pigment, pores, and smoothing, and a really fabulous delivery system. Cosmetics has retinol down pat. They do it really well, and it's delivered really effectively. So 2-3 times a week for that. And then in between, I like to do occasionally a little oil press with Clarins Lotus Oil. This is, I won't do anything else. I'll just cleanse, rinse, and then kind of warm the oil and press it into my skin. Vogue. And I love this because what it does is I do get combination skin, so I get a little bit shiny in like the T-zone, which kind of gets hard with highlighter because it crosses that line between like shiny and glowy. Hopefully right now more glowy. But I like this because, again, as we've learned in the past from my videos, that adding oil into your regimen will actually cut oil in the skin and help to curb that oiliness during the day. And this really does do that, and it feels and smells fabulous on the skin. It smells like a really expensive day spa. And of course, I love Clarins. And these are all really good purifying oils. So it's a nice little mini treatment at home. That's like my go-to for every day, you guys. Not super complicated, right? The stuff I do like weekly and my mask and exfoliators, I think we'll do in a separate video so we don't get too long. We're getting a little bit long here. But I thought this was a great opportunity for us to have a little catch-up sesh, talk some skincare, talk some life. I hope you are all fabulous, and I miss you all, and I'm so excited to talk to you. So comment below, have you used these products? Or any of them your favorite? Let me know. What are your go-tos for every day? And keep up with me on Instagram at Gregory Dillon Beauty so I can see more of your beautiful faces all the time. And I promise more coming soon. I got some stuff up my sleeves for you. And keep it beautiful. I'll see you guys soon.